Alright, this is a part of the park. I don't know what it is. It's supposed to be a lily pond, I think. But there is no pond, there is no lily. This is all drawn on the ground. But my purpose is just to see how this camera works. I'm just trying to get a feel of it. Nothing special so far. Just I need to find out about the camera shake, the image stabilization factor, how it works. There are a few people visiting the park with their kids. Now they are moving out of this area. Once again, this is just a testing of the camera, how it takes pictures and the sound quality and all that. These are the steps of the lily pond, the artificial lily pond, that is. I was standing on top of those steps to take the previous shot, and that's about it. Recording. Okay, now it is recording. Yes, this is the Thomas Danehy Park, and there is a sign there. Let me see if I can get it. Where is the zoom thing? Here is the zoom. Yeah, I zoomed in a little bit too much. But you know, this is the first testing. No? This is about the correct zooming for this kind of shot. Let me see if it has done anything so far. Testing. This is almost the maximum zoom. Will the image be stabilized? I don't know. I'm just testing. Now somebody is tapping on the ground. But now I'll kind of zoom out and see what it looks like. Yep. And those are the buildings. Those are the big buildings. They are pretty far from here. Actually, they are quite far. Let me see how much of the details I can gather. But I can tell you it's very windy. It's extremely windy here, so if there is camera shake, I won't be surprised. Now I'll zoom out and see how far those buildings were. And let me see these weeping willow trees. I love these trees. These are great. These are great. Weeping willows. These are great plants. Very good looking. There. That's a game of cricket going on, I think. Where is the batsman? There is the batsman. The man with red shirts. Now he's taking his stance. And let me see where the bowler is. There comes the bowler. There he bowls. And he gets runs. 2 runs, I think. They're running for a third one. 3 runs to that ball. That was good. Now that man with white shirt will bat. He's a lefty. He's a left-hander taking stance, and the ball is coming. He made a wide sweep, and I think he gets a run. Is that a hit or by run? I don't know. But anyway, that's the game of cricket going on in Cambridge Thomas Danehy Park on a Saturday afternoon about 1:06 p.m. And these are the different fielders, and here the bowler comes again. He bowls. Is he out? I didn't get it, but looks like the umpire has given him out. He's walking out with the red shirt. That batsman is out. The umpire has given him out, but I did not see under what circumstances he was given out. Maybe it was just a clean bowled. They are fixing the wicket. Okay, that's about it. Hey, more cricket going on here. This is yet another game of cricket. I did not expect to see cricket here. They usually play baseball here, but now looks like they are playing cricket. I did not get the shot well, but I will try again. Alright, he bowls, and there I think he drives, but well fielded by the bowler himself. No run, so we'll wait for the next ball. The next ball is bowled, and it's wide, I think. He did not even attempt to play. Now he has hit it on the onside and took another run. And the bat is being changed. Let's see. Alright, now he bowls. Nope, he swings at it widely but could not connect. So, no run from that ball. Now I'll try to get the next ball. This man with shorts is bowling, and there he is. I have to see if we can catch the sound of this sound that is coming from the game itself. I have to see if that sound is being recorded in this camera. Alright, one more time.